Hi guys, welcome to Naresh Technologies. This is Subbaraju. We'll see another video session on power of ls command. ls means generally we are calling list. It is used to list files and directories. Just go to man ls to view that. Once you are going to inside list directory contents, ls option file name. It has several options and -a means hidden files it is going to display, and a dot double dot hyphen capital A, next one B escape, and hyphen capital B ignore backups, you can do not, and list implied entries, and next -d or hyphen directory. Like this several options available. Hyphen capital F only file related symbols displaying. -i inode, -l long listing format, -m file with a comma separated list of entries. Like this several options available. One by one we can try to observe. Q, quit from there, and I am giving ls command now. Press enter. There is no file, no directories. Right now I am creating here to bring some files. I am using touch command, already completed that. I am creating file 1, file 1, file 2, file 3. I created 3 files. You know already touch related, I am not discussing that. Now ls, 3 files displayed. mkdir, I am displaying some directories, directory 1 and directory 2, yes, displayed. Now once ls means it is displaying inside whatever the contents available, means in the name of files and subdirectories. Right now we observe ls, simple command I am providing first, -a. Right now 2 directories available, 3 files available, total 5. Whenever you are saying ls-a, it displays normal files plus hidden files. Here dot indicate current directory and double dot indicate parent directory. These two are system hidden directories plus whatever you created, means directory 1, directory 2 I created, file 1, file 2, file 3 I created, total 7 available now. Now we can try to observe what is this ls dot or double dot. Dot or double dot you are unable to access, as I said already, system defined directories. But what it contains, system related information available inside these dot and double dot. Now first, can we create system hidden files? Okay, can we create user defined hidden files? Try to observe. Yes, we are creating, for example, using cat command one file, cat giving file name I am giving as Perl. If you say like this, it is called normal file. A file which is starting with a single dot is called hidden file, or double dot is called hidden file. Now cat is normal file. If you want to make sure that hidden file, put a dot, means period, press enter. It is Perl text file with hidden status, with hidden status. So whenever I am typing that, press enter, control D, save and exit. Now press ls. You can't see .perl here because it is a hidden file. ls always displays normal files and directories. ls-a displays normal files and hidden files available my .perl. If you want to view the contents from the Perl, cat and operator is input, redirectional operator, and you can use Perl. Press enter and your lines visible. If you want to append that, cat append redirectional and file name, press enter. I am appending Perl hidden file. Now in the Perl text file there are the 2 lines available. Observe cat and without any redirectional operator, press enter, 2 lines available. So hidden files we can create, hidden files we can display, and hidden files we can append. Is it possible to create hidden directories? Yes. mkdir dot dir 3 I said. Now if you are pressing enter, ls and ls not visible, ls hyphen a visible. This is current, parent, hidden directory, hidden file. Is it possible to rename hidden file to normal file? Is it possible to change normal file to hidden file? Yes, both are possible. As we discussed in our previous video, cpmv, we'll try to use here mv command. Mv means I said cut paste. Same command I am using here, hyphen a and mv. What is my hidden file name? Perl. And I want to convert into normal file. Press enter, ls, Perl visible, because Perl is now normal file. Now already Perl is normal file, I want to change to hidden file. Yes, mv Perl and rename it. Same name you can use, another name you can use. I am using for example shell. Yes, possible, not visible, ls hyphen a visible. Same like that in the directories also we are doing. This is the way we are converting hidden file to normal file to hidden file. Next, ls hyphen f will try to observe another command. ls hyphen f, capital F, it is displaying always some kind of file notations. Forward slash indicates directory, I said earlier. Now ls hyphen classify, whenever you are using classify and press enter. This is also so indicating file symbols and file notations. And ls hyphen I indicating inode numbers. See the inode numbers available here. I means index numbers. What are the index numbers? What is the duty of index numbers? I'll discuss in a separate video, but here a hint I am providing. Whenever system crashes, using inode number basis, we can recover the data from UNIX operating system. That is a specialty of the inode numbers. Inode number never duplicated. Inode number always unique. Inode you can provide ls hyphen inode also you can use. Both are same output presented on the screen. Next one and most important option is ls hyphen l. Whenever we are using ls hyphen l, it is displaying long listing format. What is the long listing format meaning? It is displaying 7 to 9 detailed information about your files. So we'll see one by one that one. First I am removing whatever I am having existing thing, right? I am creating fresh file. Just I am creating cat. I am saying for example my file name is Perl. It is Perl text file I am calling. Whenever you are calling Perl text file, it is Perl text file, enter, control D. Whenever ls hyphen l you entered, observe how many list of options are coming. Total 4 means total 4 blocks assigned. Next one is first hyphen, there is a meaning available for each and every column. One by one I am discussing. First hyphen indicates type of the file, and next one indicates file permissions. Next one indicates number of links to the file. Next one indicates owner of the file. Next one indicates group of the file. Next one indicates number of bytes in the file. Next one indicates the month when you created the file. Next one indicates the date when you created. Next one indicates the time. Last one indicates the file. So these are the details available with ls-l long listing format. And another one available here, ls-l, another one, ls-, there is an option available t. T means displaying time based assigning order. Yes, we'll see. There is only one file available now, that is only displayed. Now I am creating several files and hi1, hi2, simple example. Now clear the screen and ls-t. What is this team is time based, it is displaying. Latest created first displays, first created last displays. Now for example, I am giving here the time. I am modifying cat hi2 I am modifying. Yes, modification means appending, adding data, not exactly modification. Hi2 is my text file. Hi2 is my text file. Press enter, control D. ls-t. Now my hi2 is coming first. I said latest created or latest updated first displays. First created or first updated last displays, that is a T. ls-r and T. R means reverse. T means time based. Above results will come in reverse way. So this is ls-r. For example, only R you are entering. ls-r you are entering. This is the result. ls-t and time based. ls-t time based. ls-rt, observe now reverse. Of course, double T displayed, also it is taking as a single T, don't worry about that. Now this is about your ls-t as well as ls-r. I want to see these many files available. Per line I want to see only one file, because ls means displaying like this. I want per line one means -1. So every line one file name only it is displaying. Next one I want to see size of the file. So these are 0 blocks available, nothing said, because touch command I use it to create. So it contains. Now I modified this, means I appended this file. That is the reason it is available. Now for example, ls-S, this is indicates size wise ascending order. Big size always first. Now yes. So see the Perl and it is displaying first. Why both are same? No, and according to that it is taking which one first created also. So these are the ls related options. ls is a bigger command in the UNIX operating system which is doing different kind of options. Now we'll move to another one, that is called meta characters. In UNIX operating system, to perform our operations in a simple way, we are using some special characters. These special characters popularly known as meta characters. Meta characters popularly known as wildcard characters. These characters are, first one as question mark. It always matches a single character at a time. Second one is asterisk. It matches one or more characters at a time. Next one is brackets. This is we are calling as list. It matches any character or any one character in the list. And next one we are taking as range, from to. These 4 meta characters we will see with various commands how it is supporting. First, let me show to you. I am removing whatever the data existed here, rm-r asterisk. To remove this command I will explain soon. Now ls, no file available right now in this directory. Simple, I am creating some files as per my convenient to execute these examples. Touch. I said first one file A, one file AB, one file ABC, one file ABCD. Any name you can choose, any character you can choose. It is not a capital letter or small letter, any one. Press enter. All are empty files. At the same time, you can create the same thing, lowercase also. A, and like this I created. Press enter. All are visible here. Now one by one we can try to. So whenever we are going to access our meta characters, simple I said ls question mark. Question mark matches only single character. If I press enter with this one, I want to display all file names and directory names which are having single character name. Yes, your expectation correct. Small a, capital A. If I am typing ls double, it is displaying yes, AA, AB, ls and triple question marks. Yes, your expectation correct. Now for example ls, I said 2 question marks and I said C and enter. What it is saying? It is there is no file available. Exactly, no such file or directory because it is a capital C. Now you want to see it is yes. This using ls command we can do with the help of meta characters excellent operations. Not only that, we'll try to observe now. For example, ls rm command already completed to remove files. I said question mark. Yes, correct. It removes which are the file names having single character as a file name. If I press enter, how many files will be removed? Yes, 2 files will be removed. ls. If I say rm and I am giving this one. Now how many? Yes, correct. Like this rm command. For example, I am creating mkdir. With mkdir 1h, 1hh and 1h. Like this 3 empty directories I created. Right, and come back to that ls. Now I am saying rmdir. I said question mark. Yes, first empty directory deleted. rmdir double question mark. Yes, as you expected. 2 characters, 1 available, 2 available, 200 available, any number of files will be deleted. Now 3 means that one will be removed. So rmdir triple question marks I typed, very good. And one message also available plus my triple H is not there, but here it is matching ABC, this triple A. It is saying very clearly RMDR failed to remove AAA. Yes, because RMDR only specifically for removing directories, not for files. That is the reason message provided clearly. Now, if you want to remove that RM and you can. So, RM command is specifically for that purpose. Now, all files available with the 4 characters. Again, I want to create some files with 1, 2, 3 characters like that. With the cat command, I will show you. Otherwise, cat. I am creating only one character A. It is a text file. It is a text file. Control D. Once Control D you are pressing and ls you can press. Now for example cat I said yes. So it is displaying that simply whatever the A available. I want to see for example cat. It is displaying all file contents which are related to 2 files, and it is displaying all files which are related to 3 characters file name. It is displaying all files which are related to 4 characters file name. Already 2 files available, displaying or not? Nothing, because these 2 are empty files. If you want to see that, yes, view here. This is about your question mark. Question mark always matches single character. Next one I am going to second meta character is called asterisk. Asterisk matches 1 or more characters. We will try to observe one by one. For example, ls. Now I said ls asterisk a. It is displaying all files, any number of characters starting, ending must be lowercase a. How many will come? Only 1. Only 1 what? Already available 1 and 2. So these are the 2. Now ls I am displaying asterisk and I am saying is again D. Observe, whenever I am saying this one, any output? No. Now I am changing that one to capital D. Yes, this is asterisk. Same like that. RM asterisk. It removes all files from the current directory. RM-R asterisk. It removes all files and subdirectory structures from the current directory. RMDIR asterisk. It removes all empty directories from the current directory. And next one is cat asterisk, it displays all file contents on the standard output screen. Right. Next one we can observe, that is called, this is we are calling as brackets. So these brackets are we are using what purpose means a specific characters purpose we are going to. For example, I want to display that those brackets ls. I am providing brackets. I said a comma a b c d directly asterisk. Asterisk whenever you are going to say, it is providing all files and directories which are starting with a b c d, file names and directory names. Now for example, you want to provide the same, like this also you can provide a comma b comma c comma d. This is, it is displaying all. So now you are going to, for example, you said the same command rm, you said a comma b comma c comma d. It is removing all files which are starting with a and b and c and d. Press enter and you can check it. Yes, good. Removed. Same like that, rmdir, and I am giving xyz asterisk. Answer, it is removing all empty directories which are starting with x and y and z. Same like that, rm hyphen r, and I am providing a b c d and asterisk. It is removing files, subdirectory structures, all which are starting with a b c d. And finally last one is range, we will try to observe, that is called the range from to a to d, and I am giving ls. So it is displaying all files which are starting with a b c d and press enter. And it is displaying capital A, no sir, it is displaying small a. Right. For example, we can create triple A, press enter and say hello, control D, and I am executing that. Observe. Means whenever range you are giving, it is matching both characters. Same like that you can use rm, same like that rmdir to work on that, same like that cat, and you can type, for example, I want to see a to z and asterisk. It displays all file contents on the screen which are starting between a to z. These are the meta characters. So totally number of meta characters available. These meta characters frequently we are using for the several operations. What are that one? Question mark matches single character at a time, asterisk one or more characters, and brackets only specific characters which are specified, and range is nothing but from to 2 characters. That is we are calling hyphen. Thank you for watching videos. Catch me for more videos, youtube.com/nareshit.